Alright, so I'm going to be reviewing this Cybertruck item from Teslaunch. You see this tray. Okay, so they sent me this to try it out, test its fit. So you can see it's really dusty already here. So this tray will actually be nice because it'll be easier to clean out the dust if I need to, or dirt. But basically, it just goes in here like this. Okay, let me turn on these lights. I don't know if it will help, but alright, so this tray just goes like that, and it just slides in. This fits really nicely. I wonder if it's going to work well with, I have a little wireless router thing that I use, and I just leave that in the truck. That will hopefully fit here and will prevent it from sliding around, because the router right now, when I put it, it slides all over the place. This is a nice rubbery material. Okay, and you can see it kind of fits over these grooves. It does have a little like play where it's not completely sitting down. Here it is, but over here it's kind of like sticking up a bit. But you can see it kind of curves in and goes all the way back there. So it's nice. Let me check if my router fits here with it. So let me put that and I'll be back. Okay, you know what? I am very happily surprised. You see how tall this thing is? So it hits here, and this sits right there. It's like it was made for this, you see? It's like a solid fit. I don't think this is really going to go anywhere. If I maybe stop really fast, maybe this might tip over, but there's no way it's gonna it's not gonna slide really much sideways. It does have room to move around sideways, but I don't think that's really gonna happen. It's not like I'm gonna be turning super tight turns. I mean, this could possibly fall over, but this is perfect fit. See that? It's like just resting on it. This is awesome. So for my use, it's gonna work really well. I can even maybe put it over here a little bit. Okay, and this nice rubbery, so it kind of grips there. It's not going to slide back and forth all over the place. I have that little magnetic cable I put there, although it has plenty of room. I could just put a regular straight cable here. I like to use the magnet one so I don't accidentally like damage the charge ports or anything. So yeah, this tray is gonna work really well for my setup. I don't know what you guys are gonna use it for, but this definitely works well for my setup. I can put little tools here or whatever. Before, again, this slides around. If I put other stuff there, it works well with it, and holds it in place. But if I don't have anything there, this tray, this divider, works really well. It's like they were making it for me. I don't know. The only way it could have been any better is if they put this little line all the way back here. Then it would have actually had a square, and that would have actually held that perfectly right there. But I don't know who would need those specific dividers like that. Obviously you can use it for whatever you want. You can put coins down there. You can put like pencils, pens, whatever. You put your purse, bag, you put your wallets, whatever things that you want. So yeah, there's not really much to talk about that. You can use it for however you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Obviously also it's going to be waterproof and stuff, so if stuff gets on here and spills, as long as you're not having it go all the way up here, maybe if you have a whole bunch of liquid and you brake hard, it might all the way up and then go back down. But other than that, this is great. I kind of wish they made this go all the way up, but I'm assuming they didn't do that because if they had to ship this, there's no way to really, you'd have to like fold it, and then if you were to unfold it, it's gonna be like flopping forward, unless they could, I guess you could shove it under here, right? So technically if they made it run all the way up here, you could have it go up there, but I guess they figured if you're spilling stuff, it's gonna stay contained within this little bucket part, and it's not worth having the extra material. But I feel it would be nice just so everything's matching, so you don't have this gray and it would all just be black. But this is the design they made. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.